Rustic Mediterranean farmhouse garden ideas. Infuse your outdoor space with charm and nature's beauty. Introduction. Setting the scene for rustic elegance. Welcome to our channel, Decor Today, where we explore the beauty of architecture and home interior design. In this video, we will delve into the enchanting world of rustic Mediterranean farmhouse gardens. If you're looking to infuse your outdoor space with charm and the natural beauty of this timeless design, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below, as we journey through these inspiring ideas that can transform your garden into a serene retreat. Embracing the rustic Mediterranean aesthetic. The rustic Mediterranean style is characterized by its warm, earthy tones, natural materials, and a deep connection to nature. Imagine a garden where terracotta pots overflow with vibrant herbs, and wrought iron gates lead to intimate nooks filled with rustic furniture. This aesthetic emphasizes simplicity and authenticity, often utilizing reclaimed materials and handmade items. To create this enchanting environment, focus on using local plants that thrive in your climate, such as lavender, rosemary, and olive trees. These choices not only Designing a cozy outdoor living space. An essential aspect of a rustic Mediterranean garden is the creation of cozy outdoor living areas. Think about adding comfortable seating made from natural materials, like wicker or reclaimed wood, adorned with plush cushions in warm, inviting colors. A central feature could be a rustic dining table surrounded by chairs, perfect for gatherings with family and friends. Consider integrating a fire pit for those cool evenings, creating an atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection with nature. To enhance the ambience, incorporating water features. Water features are a staple in Mediterranean gardens, providing both beauty and tranquility. A small fountain or pond can serve as a focal point, attracting birds and butterflies while creating soothing sounds that enhance the peaceful atmosphere. If space allows, consider a natural swimming pool, which not only adds a luxurious element but also complements the rustic aesthetic with its organic design. Surround the water feature with native plants and stones to blend it seamlessly into the garden, ensuring that it feels like a natural extension of your outdoor space. The power of pathways and borders. Pathways play a crucial role in guiding visitors through your rustic Mediterranean garden. Use materials such as flagstone, gravel, or reclaimed bricks to create winding paths that encourage exploration. These paths can lead to different areas of your garden, including seating areas, water features, and flower beds. Additionally, incorporating low stone walls or wooden borders can help define spaces and add structure to your garden design. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal but also provide a sense of direction and purpose. Selecting the right plants. When it comes to plant selection for your rustic Mediterranean garden, think about a mix of herbs, flowering plants, and evergreens. Mediterranean herbs like thyme, oregano, and basil not only look beautiful but also add fragrance and can be used in your cooking. Choose flowering plants such as bougainvillea, geraniums, and marigolds to introduce vibrant colors throughout the seasons. Incorporating evergreens like cypress or juniper ensures that your garden retains its beauty year-round, providing structure and greenery even in the winter months. Creating privacy and shade. To enhance the comfort of your garden, consider ways to create privacy and shade. Use climbing plants like jasmine or wisteria to cover trellises or pergolas, providing both beauty and a sense of seclusion. This not only creates intimate spaces for relaxation but also offers shade during hot summer days. Additionally, strategically placed trees or large shrubs can help block out unwanted views while adding to the overall charm of your garden. These elements contribute to a cozy, inviting atmosphere that encourages you to spend more time outdoors. Incorporating rustic decor. Rustic decor items can significantly enhance the Mediterranean farmhouse vibe of your garden. Look for vintage or antique pieces, such as weathered benches, decorative pots, or repurposed farm equipment, to add character and charm. These elements can serve as conversation starters and focal points in your outdoor space. Don't hesitate to mix and match different styles and materials to create a unique, personalized garden that reflects your personality. The key is to keep it authentic and embrace imperfections, which are hallmarks. Maintaining your rustic Mediterranean garden. Once you've created your rustic Mediterranean garden, regular maintenance is essential to keep it looking its best. This includes pruning, weeding, and ensuring that plants receive adequate water, especially during dry spells. Mulching around plants can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Additionally, consider seasonal cleanups to prepare your garden for changes in weather, ensuring that it remains a beautiful retreat year-round. By dedicating time and care to your garden, you'll be rewarded with a vibrant outdoor space that continues to flourish and inspire. Conclusion, your invitation to embrace nature's beauty. In conclusion, transforming your outdoor space with rustic Mediterranean farmhouse garden ideas is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sanctuary that connects you with nature and brings joy to your everyday life. We hope these tips inspire you to embrace the charm and beauty of this timeless design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Share your own garden experiences or any ideas you have for infusing your outdoor space with rustic Mediterranean beauty.